Hello students, I am Mamta before you. We have already done exercise 1.1. Now proceeding exercise 1.2, we will discuss irrational numbers. Rational numbers we have already discussed in previous videos. That is, it is a number which is in the form of P upon Q. P upon Q means it has numerator and denominator. And Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0 and P, Q are integers. We have already discussed it. Before proceeding irrational numbers, we will discuss decimal expansion. This will help you to know about irrational numbers. Now, decimal expansion is divided into two, that is terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating decimal expansion. Now, what are decimal expansion? Decimal expansion, in this terminating decimal expansion, remainder becomes 0. The remainder always becomes 0. For example, 10 upon 2. We will get 5 and the remainder is 0. So 10 upon 2 is a terminating decimal expansion. Like 9 upon 3, we get 0 as a remainder in 9 upon 3. So it is also terminating decimal expansions. Now come to non-terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion are of two types. One is non-terminating repeating, और इसे हम recurring भी बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि ये बार बार रिपीट करेंगे नंबर्स. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 upon 7. If we divided 1 by 7, our result will be 0.14285714. 57. And every time it will repeat after 7. So it will come under non-terminating repeating decimal expansion because it repeats after a certain interval of time. So 1 upon 3, it is also 0.33. So it will repeat after 3. So it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Now come to non-terminating non-repeating decimals. What are non-terminating non-repeating decimals? Non-terminating non-repeating decimals are the decimals, for example, 11.20, 200, 2000 and so on. ये ऐसे ही बढ़ता जाएगा. 2 4 times 0, then 2 5 times 0 and so on. So हमें यहाँ से क्या पता चल रहा है? हमें ये पता चल रहा है कि ना तो ये रिपीट हो रहा है like this. ये एक certain time of interval में क्या हो रहा था? Repeat after 7 it will repeats, but it never repeats and non-terminate. So it comes under non-terminating non-repeating decimal. Pi also comes under non-terminating non-repeating decimal. So under root 3, under root 2, all these are the numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating. It becomes you to very easy after explaining you the decimal expansion. So after decimal expansion, we have a real numbers in the number system. Real numbers are divided into two, that is rational number and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are further divided into two, that is terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. These both include terminating and non-terminating decimal include rational numbers. I mean to say that terminating decimal और non-terminating repeating decimal expansion आपका rational numbers के अंदर आएंगे. Now come to irrational numbers. और जो हमने decimal expansion में second part पढ़ा था non-terminating में non-terminating non-repeating, वो आपका irrational numbers के अंदर आएगा. For example, rational numbers में दोनों example 1 upon 7, 10 upon 2, it is a non-terminating repeating decimal and it is a terminating decimal, so it comes under the rational numbers. And for example, under root 3, under root 2, pi, 3.2424, 4244 and so on. These all numbers are comes under irrational numbers. Exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Every irrational number is a real number. Yes. every irrational number is a real number because irrational number is a part of real number. So the answer is yes, every irrational number is a real number. This is all about rational and irrational numbers. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.